Hey, this is Dallas with Critical Hit Pest Management, and today I'm at a customer's home. They had termite swarmers come into the shower basin of their house, and on the outside of this wall is the exterior wall for the home. And I'm going to show you this. The termite swarmers came up through some of the cracking in the tile, and they ran all the way across the actual shower itself. Now, on the outside of this wall is the exterior, okay? So they're coming up through the exterior crack and crevice of this home. And I'm gonna show you what I did on the outside. We did a treatment, we drilled into the concrete, and then we also drilled into the wall. But this is where they're coming in at. This is what you don't wanna see as a homeowner. They came all the way around, and they were swarming pretty good. They had a couple hundred of them in here the other day, back up in this area. So really what's going on in this area is that there could be a potential water issue, water leak, since this is on the outside wall and this is where the shower is at, as you can see. So that drain could possibly have a leak somewhere and create a moisture underneath the slab to where termites are attracted to that and they're coming through. So let's go outside and take a look, and I'll show you what I'm talking about on the outside. Okay, so out here, as you can see, we did the drilling. We drilled the holes inside of the slab itself. We also drilled into the brick itself, okay? And what we're doing here, we're injecting the termiticide behind the wall. And this is where that shower was located at. And the reason why we're drilling inside of the brick here and injecting the termiticide is because we do know that there's an active colony of termites underneath this slab. 100% there's an active colony underneath this slab. When they start swarming like that, termite swarmers, that means that colony has potentially been there for 3 to 5 years. Let's just say it's a new colony, a younger colony, but it's also sort of kind of mature, so that would be about 3 years. Now, the longer the time goes on, the more and more they swarm, that colony gets bigger and bigger and bigger, right? So this is the first year that they've had any swarmers in here, so I would say that this colony has been here for maybe 2 to 3 years, and now it's swarming and it's budding out. And so what we do know is that there have been termites behind this wall. There are termites underneath the slab of the home here, and we're going injection, right? We drilled it, we injected termiticide, and now we're going to inject it inside of the wall. This should help protect and prevent the termites on this side of the home. He wanted to do a spot treat, and a spot treat is going to be an area that we treat and service specifically only, okay? So not this whole house is being treated right now, currently today. I did talk to him and said, look, we do always want to have preventative measures around the whole structure of the home. I don't like doing spot treats only. So here in the next month or two, we're going to finalize the full treatment around the home with Traylona ATBS stations, and maybe possibly doing some other things. So, and we'll figure that out when we do the finalized inspection on the secondary service. But for today, we're doing a spot treat down the wall down there, all the way across, and all the way back down that way. Why we do a spot treat and we do it in such large distance, I like to find the center point, and I like to go 10 to 15 foot either side of where that activity is located at. So again, inside this ground, inside the concrete itself, we're applying 4 gallons of termiticide per 10 linear feet, and inside these drill holes in the brick, we're applying 2 gallons per 10 linear feet. Sorry, 2 gallons per 10 linear feet inside the brick, 4 gallons per 10 linear feet inside the soil. Will give us the protection we need in this area. We're getting really good soil absorption with the Taurus SC that we're using today, and so it's working really well. Stay tuned. Today is a really cool day. Next week I have some major news coming. Major news. Next Wednesday, the 15th, April 15th, next Wednesday, some massive news for Critical Hit Pest Management. Some of the biggest news the biggest news that's happened in 3 years. So stay tuned for the next video next week. Really excited to share that with everybody, and we'll talk about that more as time comes on. Appreciate the view. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Show them how a real treatment is supposed to be performed on a home, especially if you're dealing with termite swarmers. And like, comment, subscribe. Leave anything down below that you need to know. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.